Okay, hello. I'm gonna do a Rubik's Cube, and I seek some advice too. So, here we go. I'm gonna try to solve it. Okay, well, there's my solve. And I realized that it, is pretty slow solve. It, for most people that do Rubik's Cubes, it's not that good at all. But if you can tell me any new algorithms or finger tricks or anything, then that would be good. And for all my algorithms, I'm using standard direction ones, because I'm just using those. All those normal ones that come with the directions. And whatever, not the directions, whatever, the guide thing. And yeah, so if you can tell me any algorithms or stuff that I'm doing wrong or anything that'll make it a better solve, then that would be good. If you notice that everything's kind of crappy, which it is, but